Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. I'm Steve, the first time farmer. This is a continuation of our storage building project where we have cleared out 8 to 10 trees. We've stumped most of them, got a couple stumps left. Then we started doing some cleanup, and now we are doing some land leveling. And so started with the bobcat, but it really didn't work very well, and it's not a bobcat, it's a cat skid steer that I had on the property for the summer. It didn't work very well, so we moved on to some other equipment. Thanks for coming along. As I said, like and subscribe, and sit back and enjoy the ride.
I don't wanna get in your face. Got nothing to prove to you, and I got so much to do. I'm flattered that you think that I'm in your debt, but your opinion won't cut me a check. Making the moves, not making no noise. Still keeping up with all of the boys. You want all the secrets, but I'm keeping quiet. Silence is golden, and they call me Midas. You want me to shut up and show you all the love, but I flex where I don't say. 'Cause while your mouth runs, I'm getting it all done. Yeah, smash all my goals, plot for myself. Don't act like you don't know. Man, I don't need your help.
So the other piece of equipment, of course, is the John Deere with its box blade. This actually does a pretty good job. I put some snippets in here. It took all day to clear this out, but the snippets give you an idea of just kind of the progression that happened throughout the day using the box blade. And finally we haul off the extra dirt and pile it in the corner for later use.
Making a sound, how you like that? Yeah. Playing it cool, breaking the rules. I don't need you, I got my own bag. I got my own bag. Be this, be that, try to fit in, but I don't get it. I never will. Take a hit, strike a match to all the minutes I ever tried to be where you wanted. Be this, be that, try to fit in, but I don't get it. I never will. Take a hit, strike a match to all the minutes I didn't give. No. Running around, gaining some ground, making a sound. How you like that? Playing it cool, breaking the rules. I don't need you, I got my own bag. I ain't afraid, baby, I'm brave. I won't behave, I'm better than that. Coming for everything you said I couldn't have. I got my own bag. If you would've told me that I'd find you, I think I would've lied, 'cause my heart is black and blue. You were different, sparked my interest, I'm away. I'm different, got this feeling I can't shake. I find pieces of you in every song that I hear. Guess I thought this day would never come. You make me
Here's something else that we did capture, just a few minutes of this because we did a longer video prior. This is chicken butchering weekend. All 5 kids plus 2 significant others spend the day butchering the meat chickens for the season. Didn't have a lot of predators this year, but it was a fun time anyhow. And then we move on. I popped a tire, hit a piece of equipment moving the trailer. So I went and got a new tire, and now I'm getting that put on the trailer.
Find pieces of me in every song that you hear. Overwhelmed that the days finally come. I make you feel all the fears and forget all the fears. This is what it means to fall in love.
Then we move on to the next thing, and that is we moved a lot of junk this year. Took a lot of stuff out of the garage, took some stuff out of the house. Here we're just loading up a couple of old couches and chairs. One chair sitting on the pile outside for probably a year before we got to it here. The other one just came out, but it's very old. So we're going to get these on the trailer and haul them off to the dump. Fortunately, the dump in our area is only about a 15-minute drive away. But here we go. Get these on the trailer.
Still make me feel all the feels and take in all the years. Oh, this is what it means to stay in love. Will be the definition. Be the definition. Will be the definition. Yeah. Be the definition. Look it up, look it up, look at us.
And now we're going to hook up the Pinto. This is a 25-foot trailer, 20-foot deck with flip-over ramps that add 5 feet when they're all closed up. So it's referred to as a 20 plus 5 for 25 feet of total deck space. Got to get the tailgate down, got to move the toolboxes out of the way. There's a lot of stuff in this truck because I work both in the city on projects at the house there and up here, and so the kind of the key pieces that I use all the time right up and back in the truck, they just never come out, and that means there are 4 toolboxes and a couple of storage bins because there's a lot of different things that I carry with me. Okay, as I said, the bed is dirty and a lot of stuff in it. Move it out of the way. Put the trailer over the top of the ball, and then we can lower it down on the ball.
searching what you've been taught. You plus love plus me. 1 plus 1 makes 3. How can this be?
And then once it's down and latched, you can pull the feet up. There's one on each side here.
I see that smirk. Guess you better check my work. Cause the way you got me feeling is a little bit blurred. So leaning close, nobody needs to know. Baby, they're all square and I've got them curves. Oh, we don't
Then it's time to start hooking it up. We got safety chains that have to go in, get them hooked into the supplied brackets. They clip into the floor if you're unaware. So you can take them out, get a flatbed, all 3 of the central functions can be taken back out of the bed in just a few minutes. And then once we get them hooked up, then I come in with the safety cable and apply that here. Hook it in, as you see here. And it's time to put the light cable in. This is a real bugger to get in there, so you see me wiggling it. And you got to get it in far enough for the latch to latch. Or while you're driving, the vibration will knock it back out again. And so it's the worst part of the whole thing. It shouldn't be that hard to put it in. Once it's hooked up, it's time to start pushing the toolboxes into place. Try not to drop the camera. And then we'll go ahead and load the tractor. I don't have film of that, and take it in for that EGR error that we reported earlier. So this brings us to the end. Thanks a lot for coming along. Like and subscribe, and join us for the next one.